Hi, my name is David Foster. I'm the chair of the Society of American Military Engineers Geospatial Working Group. During JETC 2022, we had a group of professionals from both industry and Department of Defense come together. We built a network, our own intranet server. We collected, integrated, analyzed, visualized data in and around the Aurora, Colorado area. And in a matter of days, we collected over about 40 gigabytes of data. So if you want to learn how to leverage data as a weapon system, come and see us.
Hi, I'm Dan Mummert, Geospatial Team Lead for CEG. As part of the GeoWERX activities this week, we flew a portion of the Gaylord Rockies Convention Center. We flew with a small UAS system. We captured approximately 1,200 images, processed the imagery overnight, and delivered a 3D model first thing this morning. The 3D model contained details, a reality mesh that enables us to see mechanical and structural components of the facility. From a real-world standpoint, we're seeing that lived out through our architectural clients, mechanical clients, being able to help them make better decisions about the way they use their facility, maintain their facility, as well as the folks that are coming in after the fact to do construction. We're able to give them accurate 3D models for both remote access as well as their actual design, and being able to give that level of detail really improves the decision-making process from an engineering and operations standpoint.
Hey, I'm Chase Comeaux. I work for SurvTech Solutions, and here at GeoWERX, I'm contributing by collecting point cloud data and extracting important information from it, critical data points, building infrastructure. In this case, we can extract transportation information, power line information, any of those things that would help assist in whatever mission that we're going to have here. In a typical day-to-day situation in my normal job, we often provide similar data to our clients. We do anything from topographic surveys for floodplain mapping. We provide data to power companies like Entergy or anybody like that on their power pole information, how many wires are hanging on the pole. We provide hydrographic data for mining companies. We compare volumetrics for them. You can do an endless number of things with point cloud data if you know how to process it and you know how to extract the data from it.
Hi, my name is James Pardue, and I'm the General Manager of Spike by Ike GPS, participating in the GeoWERX 2 exercise where we're demonstrating our Spike solution, which is a laser rangefinder that attaches to a smartphone or tablet. It simply allows you to be able to GPS locate and measure objects simply by taking a photo with your mobile device, and how that links from the mobile device into geospatial technologies to enable the data that you collect to be able to map and be displayed within a map.
I'm Jason Feser. I'm with Perigean Inc. We brought today hardware to support the JETC simulation for HADR. We partner with a company called Optia that it makes the 556 ammo can server. It's a small form factor server, mil-spec ruggedized, that's capable of consuming all the geospatial data that has been collected prior to the event to serve out and provide services. These services are used together with other components within the architecture to enable commanders to make decisions in a timely manner. This is the ruggedized personal workstation, portable workstation. This is our compute power for analyzing data that is acquired on site and data that we brought into the scenario. The ruggedized portable workstation coupled with the ammo can server enable a complete cycle of analysis to services in order to collaborate with the joint environment to include government agencies, private agencies, and state and local organizations.
All right, my name is Shawn Slade. I'm with Hexagon U.S. Federal. I'm a sales executive for the Geosystems business unit. And what I'm doing here at the Society of American Military Engineers is working with the GeoWERX Geospatial Workshop Group, and I'm bringing you it's a handheld LiDAR imaging device that allows you to scan around mobily walking and scanning the interior and exterior of a facility. And what this gets you is a digital reality point cloud that can then go into a CAD, a BIM program, go into VR for training soldiers. People are going into areas that they may not know what there is, giving them a heads up of what is in there. Facilities management, knowing where everything is in terms of pipes, emergency exits, anything of importance for knowing and managing that facility, real property management. That is what I am helping bring to the table to solve this geospatial equation.
I'm Will Gilrain. I work for Spatial Engineering. I'm a GIS analyst, and we serve as the GIS department for small municipalities that can't afford to have their own GIS department. So they're able to see all their water and sewer data and pull up PDFs of their as-built projects. And then we have some tools. So if they want to see where the sewer flows to, you can see that all the way to the treatment plant. Or if they need to isolate a water line, if there's a main break, they can map out which valves to cut off, in 30 seconds instead of trying to pull up a paper map back in the office that could take several hours.
I'm Chief Pimienta from the 543rd GPC, and we're here at the JETC conference, and we're interacting with a bunch of other entities, and we're creating dashboards for a scenario which we're doing a wildfire. Our dashboard, we use it every day in DISCA and Homeland Security in Northcom. Right now we're building a wildfire scenario, and it's not CAC authenticated, so anybody that's not within the government, they don't need a CAC card to get to this. It's open and anybody can access it. We can add to it, take from it. It's pretty dynamic. We're getting REST services from different websites, and it's a great tool for anybody that's trying to push out a bigger picture of GIS.
Hi, my name's Andres Abeta. I'm the director of Bootcamp GIS. We're teamed with SME to provide a geospatial education platform. And the conference at JETC this week was really outstanding. I got to interview each of the members of the GeoWERX team, and they would reiterate that they learned through their job and project experiences. Take a look at the SME education page to find a rich catalog of project-based courses. You can learn from these types of SMEs on how to create geospatial solutions. We really like what we do because our visual products have purpose. I hope you're inspired to make geospatial a core part of your career.